Okay, wait. Before I help you, will you count for me? Can you count?
No.
Yes.
Help me.
Oh, let me see it.
Help me.
Let me see it.
Help me. Help me.
Okay.
Help me, my trees.
Yeah, I'm helping you make your trees. Can you get the red part? The red part's over there. See it? That's right. Here. Watch how I do it. Watch. See? Look. See this end? Push it down. Ta-da! And here's the tree.
No, I do it.
You do it? Okay, you do it.
Did it?
You did it!
Yay.
Yay!
This is good.
Where are you going to put the trees?
The strawberries.
Where are you going to put the trees?
Oh.
Where do they go?
It's here.
Okay, put it there.
Let's go. It's here. It's good here.
Okay, that looks good.
And it's strawberries.
Strawberries?
It's my trees.
Those are more trees. Why don't you build some more track? Do you want to build more track?
It goes here. No. It's circle. It's circle. Disco.
Go ahead.
It's disco.
You create it.
It's disco. It fell down.
Okay, well you picked it up.
Three fall down.
Yeah, I know, but you fixed it.
I fixed that.
Yeah, that was easy.
That's easy.
That's right.
It's good here. Good strawberries. It's good here.
I don't know why you keep calling it strawberries.
I did it.
Yay!
I make more sugar.
You did do it. Oh, that's where it goes. I see.
This goes in here.
Mm-hmm. You did that very nicely.
I get it.
Hey, Aaron. Aaron, can you look up here? Will you say hi?
Hi, help me.
Well, I'll help you if you look up here. You have to look up here, buddy. Look at the camera. Will you say hi, Grandma?
No.
Why not? Or will you say Grandpa who?
Grandpa Johnny.
Oh, will you say hello to Grandpa Jolie? Will you say hi, Grandpa Jolie?
No.
Why not?
My tree.
Hey, Aaron. Aaron, look over here.